Bromine. The 35th element on the periodic table is a halogen with an atomic weight of about 79.9. It stands out as one of the only two elements that are liquid at room temperature, appearing as a reddish-brown, oily liquid that gives off a sharp smell and is toxic. Discovered in the 1820s by Antoine Jerome Ballard and Carl Lowig, bromine's name comes from the Greek word bromos, meaning stench, a reference to the element's harsh and unpleasant smell. Bromine was the first element to be extracted from seawater, but this is now only economically viable at the Dead Sea in Israel, which is particularly rich in bromide. Bromide salts like potassium bromide and sodium bromide were among the first effective sedatives in the 19th century, and doctors also used them to treat epilepsy, insomnia, and anxiety, since bromide ions depress neural activity. But overuse led to bromism, a condition from bromide buildup causing memory loss, confusion, and skin problems, which led to their replacement by safer drugs. Silver bromide is a chemical used in film photography, but perhaps the most popular use of bromine compounds was as flame retardants. Bromine compounds were added to furniture foam, plastic casings for electronics and textiles to make them less flammable. However, these days the use of bromine as a flame retardant has been phased out in the USA because of toxicity concerns. Another interesting fact about bromine is that certain types of algae and sea sponges naturally produce organobromine compounds as part of their chemical defense systems. These naturally occurring brominated substances have inspired research into new pharmaceuticals, and some have even shown potential as anti-cancer or antibacterial agents.